Hi guys, Daniele here and welcome to this Story review. As you see, I'm inside the members area of this Story software, and basically this brand new software allows you to create a new format of videos which is called web stories. And these are basically like the stories that you see on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, vertical videos which drive massive amount of traffic and engagement. But web stories are thought to be implemented inside your websites or your blogs with little to no code. So you don't have to need any skill, technological skill, graphic skill, or tech or coding skill. You implement these web stories inside your website, and the search engines like Google will crawl your website and rank these web stories on the search engine in the top positions. And this is really a crucial factor because with this new feature of Google, you will rank your website for this trending format, and people will engage with your web stories and increase your traffic, your leads, your sales, and basically your results if you are in any kind of business. In fact, web stories are fantastic for any kind of business. If you are a local business, if you are a freelancer, if you are an affiliate marketer, if you sell your own digital products or physical products, you have an e-commerce, maybe you have a gym, whatever you do. If you implement these web stories inside your website, you will drive more traffic and get a higher conversion rate because users will be able to do actions inside the web stories itself. In fact, you can implement polls, quizzes, call to actions. You can implement payments for your products directly inside the web stories. So users will be able to pay for your product or services, and this will increase massively the amount of conversion and leads that you obtain for your business. So you really need to check out this new format. And as you see, I'm inside the members area, and here you have some example of web stories. For example, this one is for a gym. If you go through the slides, you will see informations and also call to action, which is swipe up. This other example is for food. In fact, you can maybe have a restaurant and set up a web story on your website so you can rank better on search engine, and people can order their product directly from the web story, as you see. Or for example, a shop. Here, for example, you can shop for clothes, and this is also super cool because this will help you get a ton of sales without people having to scroll through your website or do difficult tasks. They can do it straight from your web stories. And if you click below this video, you will go in the sales page of Story so we can see some of its features in detail. Here I am inside the sales page. And as you see, you can create instant web stories with just a few seconds of work. You can get free traffic from Google Search and Discover. It is fully cloud-based. You can engage visitors by adding interactive elements and also make them pay directly from stories, as it is written here. You can capture audience, more conversion. You don't have to need any kind of skill. And this is basically all the features. You can read the sales page in your own spare time. And now I will play for you a little demo video so you can see Story in action. You can see how it works and how easy it is to create this kind of web stories and implement them inside your website. Then we'll be back again and I will show you the complete funnel with the OTOs, the pricing, and my final opinion on Story.
All right, in this demo, I'm going to show you how to use the Story app. We're going to check out some incredible features. I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily create stunning stories for loads of different niches using ready-made templates or from scratch. I'll show you how to customize designs by adding backgrounds, images and videos, CTAs, and a bunch more. I'll show you how to add and manage products on the Digital Store Manager and how to share your stories to multiple platforms in just a few clicks. We've got a lot to cover here, so let's get into it. Once you log in, you'll land here on the dashboard, on the Home tab. And here is where you'll be able to see all of the stories that you've created so you can quickly access and edit them. You can also search for your projects up here in the search bar. And another cool feature is you're able to create different workspaces, and this lets you categorize and sort your projects so that they're easy to find. Now, over here, we have the Templates tab. Here is where you can find all the pre-made story templates for tons of different niches: restaurants and cafes, services, gyms and fitness, events, online events, and loads more. I'll show you how to use them shortly. Next, then here we have the Media tab, where you can upload all of your own media. Now, this app comes with thousands of free stock images, GIFs, and videos for you to use, but you can also add your own media. Just make sure that they're in one of these formats, and you'll be able to access them inside the editor. Alright, now before we check out the rest, let's go in and create a story. So first, go here and click on New Story. Now you've got two options: from scratch, which will give you a completely blank canvas to work from, and from templates. Now let's go with this one for now. You can either search for a category here, or you can scroll until you see one that you like. Then click Use Template over here. First, you'll need to give your project a name. Then click Create. And this is going to open up the editor where you can customize to your heart's content. Start by changing the background color, or adding an image, or video background. I'll search for pizza. And I'm going to use this one. Now you can go ahead and edit the text. So double click on the text, and you can change the alignment. You can pick from 50 different fonts. You can change the font style, the opacity. Play around with the font color and the stroke colors until you're happy. Alright, then if you want to change the image, just right-click on the image and click Delete. Then you can go over here to the Media tab and add a new one from the stock image library, or upload your own. Go down here and open up the Media library. Then click Add Media. Upload. And here it is. Now you can move it around and resize it easily. How about we add a new element? You can choose from stickers, emojis, shapes, and icons. Scroll to the category you want, and here it is. You can add a CTA or call to action, and this is super important. Add buttons like this one to redirect customers to a website. If you've added products in the store manager, you can add this CTA that will take them to the store where they can purchase items. Once you click it, you can select the product and the link, then tag the product. More on this shortly. You can add polls, quizzes, and so on. And all the text and answers and boxes are all customizable. Just pick one, click it on the editor, and you can make all the changes you want. Once you've finished your design, you can click the Preview button. And if you're happy with everything, you'll click here on Publish. Then you can add meta tags for SEO, track analytics by adding the Google or Facebook tracking ID. You can also ensure your story meets all the requirements for proper SEO. And here is where you'll find all the publishing options. Copy this code to your HTML. You can create a scannable QR code, or copy the short link. And that's it. Now let's head back to the home page, and let's have a look at the store manager that I mentioned earlier. So this is where you can actually add and manage products for your stories. So if you're selling bags or clothing or shoes and so on, you can do that here. Click on Add Product. Then you can enter the product name. So let's say shirt. Product description, we can say 100% cotton shirt, size medium. And then let's add a price. So first select a currency. And then I'll just make this $10. You can also mark it on sale over here. Right, then click Next. Now you can add the digital asset zip file. And then we can add an image of the product. And you can add more if you'd like, but we'll just keep these for this one. Click Next. And you can see it's been added. So you can then access this in the store section while creating your story and add it to that. Now you can also view all your orders over here. You can check out the analytics, like the sales report overview, how many products and orders you've had, and your overall income. So this is great for keeping track of everything. All right, now moving on to the Settings tab. This is where you'll be able to update all your profile info, your name, email, and password, and billing settings. And then here at Domain, this is where you'll be able to add your own custom domain. So just follow the steps here, and then click Add Domain, and it'll be added. And that's it. This is an extremely powerful and useful app that's going to save you tons of time and effort and help you create stunning and engaging stories.
Okay, so here we are again inside of Stori. If you click the link below in this video, you will go in the sales page that you have seen before. And if you scroll down, you can see the pricing of the product, which is $34 for the basic version and $37 for the commercial license. And really, the price is little to no difference. So I invite you to take the commercial license because you have a lot more features and bonuses. Then you have the first upsell, which is Stori Unlimited. Now the page is a little messed up. Basically, with this, you unlock a lot of limits on the features of the front end. Then you have Stori Template Club, when you get a lot of templates to use for your web stories. You have Stori Agency, which helps you create an agency out of these web stories, because you can also create them and sell them as an agency, maybe on Fiverr or other services. Then you have Stori Done For You, where they give you their lead magnets and products that you can sell straight with your web stories. So you have Done For You content to sell. Then you have the reseller version, where you can resell the whole funnel and keep all the profit. And finally, you have the best deal, which is the bundle deal, which is here. And with this one, you get the front end version plus all the OTOs for a little one-time price payment. And this is a price of $297, but you have a coupon of $50, and you will see the coupon in the description below. So you will pay $247, and for this little price, you get access to Stori Commercial, Unlimited, Template Club, Agency, Done For You, and Reseller, all included for $247. So you save a ton of money and a ton of time, and you get the best deal. And I really invite you to take action now if you want to grab the bundle deal, and you will find the link also below this video. So basically, this is the pricing and the funnel of Stori. And if I have to say my final opinion on this one, I should say that it is really, really fantastic. There are a lot of other companies which sells tools to create these stories, but they cost thousands of dollars. With Stori, for just $37, you get a tool, complete tool to create these web stories. And these, as we have said before, are useful for any kind of business or marketer, because you can sell your services, sell your products, sell your engage your traffic with your stories. Basically, you can do whatever you want inside these little web stories, and you will rank on the search engines and get a lot of free traffic. So you really need to check out this new type of format, and I invite you to check out Stori by clicking the link below this video. For me, it's all today. Thanks for staying with me in this story review. I invite you to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification button so you can be updated whenever a new video is out. Thanks again. See you in my next video. All the best.